Here you go, guys. This is Oscam here. Today's video I'll be showing you how to recycle in New South Wales or anywhere in Australia. They have started this program through the New South Wales government. When you're using your soda or any sort of recycled bottles or plastic bottles, so you can actually recycle them and get something out of it. So if you return a bottle which is a plastic or glass, you get 10 cents. Most importantly, you have to know which bottle to return. The milk bottles you can't return. So they have a guideline on the machines, all the beer bottles, all the Coke bottles, on the cans. You have to see if it is written 10 cents on it, then refunding on the country or the state. If there is a 10 cents written on refund, this machine will be accepting them. You can claim your money digitally. You can claim it through PayPal, which I do, which works for me. Or you can get a Woolworth voucher, or you can donate. So there is a QR code that here. That's why you have to download it in a Tomra app. I will show you which app it is. So once you download the Tomra app, you log in with PayPal, or you can make a Tomra app account. Once you do a Tomra app account, you can collect the money to Tomra app account. Or if you do a PayPal account, it goes straight from here to your PayPal. You just scan it here. I will show you exactly how to do it. It only takes plastic, cartons and cans. These two machines here, and we have one here which only takes glasses. So for the glasses, you gotta have a separate machine. Eligible containers, so glass, plastic, aluminium, steel, are open from 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Here, we will be using the PayPal account now. So there is my phone here, and I have the Tomra app, My Tomra. As you can see, My Tomra, that's the app that we will be logging in. And then you can see the QR code here, and my money is gonna go through. All the reference will be automatically transferred to the PayPal account. So as simple it is. So now I'm just gonna scan my card right here. We'll see. It's scanned and it's coming up with my name. So it's I can collect the money on PayPal. So here you go. I'm just gonna put in one bottle, and it's gone through. And then I have a 10 cents here, as you can see. 10 cents. So I'll just select PayPal or donate. So I'm just gonna select PayPal. This money will be now automatically moved to my PayPal account. So I can either use it to buy something, or I can collect it to a bank account. Get the Tomra app, and it has a map. So here you go, guys. If you have empty bottles, can or glass bottles, beer bottles, you can bring it in here as the guideline has been provided, or any other Tomra location in New South Wales, and you can return them. Even one bottle, you can return them and collect your money to the PayPal, or either you can get a voucher. So I've shown you the both ways, how to collect it through the PayPal and how to collect it through the voucher. I hope that video helped. So in my point of view, the best way to doing is that you get at least 10, 15, 20 bottles together, you pile them up and you bring it in the center, and then you can just drop it in here and collect through your PayPal account while the money goes to your bank account from PayPal, or you can buy something on eBay or anywhere else, or you can do something else with that. So I hope that video helps, guys. Any comment, please leave it below. And hopefully I'll bring you with some more videos.